There is more trouble in paradise
Mm?
in the VR world. Walkabout Mini Golf, which
Yeah.
is one of the 10 most popular
Yeah, beloved by you and
apps.
me and many others.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, apps on the. I'm now waiting for the axe to drop on Golf Plus,
Mm.
because they just, Walkabout just laid off a substantial part of its staff, and they were very well staffed with some fantastic artists, and we've had them on the show a number of times. So I was very disturbed and disappointed to see that news.
Yeah, and for me, like, I don't know how many times I can be this broken record. It's just right sizing. It's just the industry has power, has value, has creative inspiration. Walkabout Mini Golf is a great example of it's a wonderful application that guys like you and me and many others have played and experienced, and it's fun and it's terrific. But like, if I was going to advise anybody that's going into the business of virtual reality content in any way, shape, or form, just know you're entering a small business. Like, you're not entering a business that's going to scale and make you a billionaire. It may make you a millionaire, and there are a number of outstanding millionaires that have made VR content. The Beat Saber guys, for example, and Walkabout Mini Golf, I think, is $1 million plus hit, but it's not going to be hundreds of millions of dollars. It's just not.
No,
I
it's
just,
not the games business.
yeah, yeah.
And I think one thing that we've seen is, I was just telling this to somebody yesterday. We said for years, well, when VR has this, and when it's standalone, and when the
Yeah,
quality
all
is
these things have
here,
to go
and
away, right?
and
Yeah.
when there's this much content, and we got all those things, and nothing happened.
Well, something happened. It's just smaller than people expected. Like, when people say VR is not successful, I have to argue very vigorously. VR is successful as a small business, not a giant business.
Yeah,
That's only thing that changed. And it's still a multi-billion dollar business, but it's not hundreds and hundreds of
yeah,
billions of dollars. And the cost that, like, a company like Meta would keep throwing dollars at something to try and make it a bigger business than it actually is ever going to be. They're course correcting now to finally, after 70 or 80 billion dollars spend
yeah,
with a small return on that investment, they're finally learning their lesson, which I think is
yeah.
good. I think is healthy.
Not to put too fine a point on it, but Atlas 5,
Mm.
the French content creation studio that did Spheres and Battle Scars and Gloomy Eyes and Wallace and Gromit, I mean, they defined quality along with Felix and Paul, and they're following Felix and Paul off of devices into location-based entertainment and other kinds of platforms, because VR has just not delivered what it needed to for
Right.
their investors.
Right.